How to change Facebook location setting. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Facebook application. Tap and hold on the Facebook application. Now go to its app info. Now go to permission. Then tap on location. Make sure you have selected only allow while using the app and not don't allow. Now, what you are gonna do is go to Facebook, go to your profile icon. Now go to edit profile. After that, scroll down and then go to details and then tap on edit. Now, in this current town or city, simply tap on this pen icon and then cross this. Go to add current city or town and then search for your city and then save it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.